Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel, Guitar Basics. It's my new channel. I really hope you guys will like it and follow and subscribe as well. My name is Chris. I'm gonna be around. I'm gonna show you guys how to play guitar. I'm gonna show you guys so that you can learn how to play proper guitar, learn the basics of guitar, chords, chords progression, chordings, scales, and lots of other interesting things. I'll be around, so I really hope you guys will gonna like my videos. I really will appreciate if you guys like my videos and follow me. I'll really try to teach you guitar as simply as possible so that you guys can become a good guitarist one day. So that's all. I hope you guys will have a blast. Thank you everyone, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye now.